Hello and good morning everyone. We just got outside of Palma and you can see it's a weird day today. It was raining like the whole day yesterday. You can see there are still clouds around, so it's gonna rain a bit more. So the plan for today is, first of all, we are going to pass this mountain range that you see it's covered with it's covered with clouds. We're gonna go back, we're gonna pass Sóller, and then we're gonna arrive at Biniaraix. There is a small canyon there, and then we're gonna walk. There is an old trail that goes up the mountain, and since it rained, I think it's gonna have a bit of water, so let's check it out on our way to Biniaraix. Thinking to pass from inside the village, but the previous time it was very crowded. There were a lot of cars, so I don't know if I want to do it again, but okay, let's do it, why not. Look how nice it is. You have the oranges, you have the chickens, you have the flowers, you have the nice houses, of course you have the nature, and this is like the canyon. This is there, it's there, like if you can see it a bit. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there is kind of a gap like there, and there is the canyon. And on this canyon there is like a route which is called Safosca, and it's a famous destination to do canyoning. It's also closed, so at some point the sunlight doesn't even enter, so it's very dark. Perfect, we left it here. You also have water if you want to drink. So let's get the stuff out. Here we are, we're just starting the trail. Well, the trail doesn't completely end somewhere, so we have to find where to stop. We can either choose to go like to this peak up there, which is called Gran Cornadors, but it's gonna take some time, and there are some thunderstorms coming, so I'm not sure. And from the other side you can go to the artificial lake of Cúber. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it up there because it takes even more time. So let's go up until we are bored. As you can see, the trail, not maybe not here, but maybe there, it's well done. So I mean, it has like rocks and all of that. And this is because this trail used to be like the old trail to go to the Lake Cúber, which is up in the mountain. So you can come here. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't have water, but if you come in the winter, for sure you will find a lot of water here. Maybe I should have brought my swimsuit. Why not? Look. That was a nice stop, so now time to head back. So now we are heading back. We will do kind of a circular route around the canyon, and we actually came from the left side, now we are going back from the right side. It's more or less the same time. Here it's the sign. So it's gonna be just fine. It started to rain as well. Well, now a bit. So we are safe. We are actually with a motorcycle, so even if it rains, we don't have an option but to get wet. Look how fast the weather changed. Before it was sunny, now like that. There's a whole cloud on top of the village. Maybe we can go like that. It looks easy. Hours to go up the lake. So previously we came from this path, which is like a bit faster, as you can see, 3:45, and then back to Biniaraix. Back on the village, and we are back to the starting point. Then it clears up a bit, but they're not. As you can see, GR221 is the trail that starts from the south and goes up to the north. Also passes from here. So we are here now in Biniaraix. We start in this red. First we went here, we stopped here in intersection, and then we came back. This is like 2 hours more or less. What we could do, we could go up, and then if you go up here we can go to Sóller, which is like 900 meters, or you can go up to the lake. That's it, pretty much. We did around 2 hours. Not that much, but because of the rain I didn't want to get into higher elevation, because I saw on the forecast that it's gonna rain a bit more. I hope that you had a great time, and as always, take care.